Hi, so I'm back with another video. Um, First, I'm taking that shade, Ablaze, and I'm putting that in my crease as a transition shade, and I'm using my big blending brush to do that. The look I'm doing today, I did it on Sunday, and I'm just recreating it, basically. Then I'm taking that bottom brown shade, it's called Stone, and with my smaller blending brush, and I'm just patting it in my crease, and then I'm gonna blend it. And this, I just do this for more color payoff. And I'm just blending it into the orange shade that I use. Then I'm taking the color Rich, and I'm gonna put that in the same place that I put the first brown that I used, and I'm just patting it on and then blending like I did with the other brown. And I'm just blending it into the two original shades. Then I'm taking that color Brunette, and I'm putting that deeper in my crease for more definition. And I'm also going to blend it into the other shades that I used. Then I'm taking my more defined crease brush, and I'm taking that color Muddy, but I also took the color Toast, and I'm putting those two deeper in my crease for more definition. Then I'm taking my smaller blending brush, or my medium-sized blending brush, and I'm just blending that all in. Then I'm taking my flat shader brush from e.l.f. and that shimmery red color called Ruby, and I'm putting that all over my lid. I like this color, but it's like really patchy, and you have to like build it up a lot for it to like show up, which I hate, but it's like a really pretty color. Then I'm taking the Ruby Kisses liquid eyeliner, and I'm just gonna line my eyes and then do wings. You're only gonna see me doing one wing because the other eye is hard to do while recording myself. Then I'm taking my L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara, and I'm just coating my lashes before I put on the false lashes. And the false lashes I'm using are the Miss 3D Voluminous Lash and M353, the ones I always use. Then I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses black eyeliner, and I'm just lining my waterline with that. And then I'm just coating my lashes with some more mascara, just so the false lashes and my real lashes blend together. Then I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Prep Primer that you never can see, and I'm putting that on the sides of my cheeks and then on my nose, as always. Then I'm taking my NK lip pencil, and I'm just lining my lips with that. Then I'm taking my Dolce liquid lipstick, and I'm just putting that over the lip liner. And I'm gonna take my e.l.f. Shimmering Gloss and Glow, and I'm gonna put that in the center of my lips. And that is it. Thank you for watching. Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope whoever watches this enjoys. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And be sure to watch my videos in 1080p. It's like the 3 little dots on top of the video, and it says quality, and it should say 1080, or sometimes it'll say 720, but just try to pick the highest quality. So yeah, see you on the next video.